Welcome to Emmelac math class, and before us is this expression that says if 2x minus 3y equals 4, then find 9 raised to the power x divided by 27 raised to the power of y. Alright, now what we just need to do is we've been given that 3x minus 2y equals 4. So from this expression, let us see how we'll get 2x minus 3y, which we'll probably use to substitute for what? For 4. Alright, so from here we have 9x over 27 raised to the power y. Sorry, this is 9 raised to the power x. Alright, so from here now, from the law of indices, now, but before we get that, 9 and 27 has a common factor, which is 3. So from the law of indices, this is 3 raised to the power 2 all to the power of x. Then this is 3 raised to the power 3 all to the power of what? Y. And from the law of indices, that says here, let us say x raised to the power of m raised to the power of n is the same thing as saying x m n. Alright, so if we are to apply this principle here, so here we have, this is 3 raised to the power of 2x, then over 3 raised to the power of what? 3y. Alright, from the law of indices also, now it is said that x raised to the power of m over x raised to the power of n is the same thing as giving you, since they have the common base, so here we have that x raised to the power of what? M minus n. Now let us apply this principle to this. You can see here you have a common base, so here we have that 3, so here you have 2x minus 3y. Alright, you can see that from this expression now we've been able to get 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3y, and from the question 2x minus 3y gives us what? 4. Okay, so let us now substitute 2x minus 3y for 4. So here we have 3 raised to the power what? 4. And this also gives us 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which also is 9 times 9, which will give us what? 81. Final answer. Alright, thank you. And if you love this, what I've just done, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in basic mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.